When you give a speech, the best thing to do is to start with an attention-grabbing device. Now, what do I mean by that? I need to get your attention. So it could be a quote, right? I started this morning talking about a statistic, right? That 4 seconds of making a first impression. If I started by saying, hi, I'm Linda Katz-Willner, and I'm happy to be here to talk to you today. Same old, right? It's nothing that interesting. But if I start with the statistics, and that's great in your line of work, right? Start with something with numbers. Start with a quote. Start with a question that would make sense to that person and make them want to listen to your talk. Your goal is to get their attention right at the beginning. Because if you start wrong, remember I talked about that impression, it's hard to pull them back in. But if you start with gangbusters and get their attention, you got them.